So this is just a quick tutorial on how IXL assignment EE1 in Algebra 1 works. This is for a worksheet in September for freshman year. I had a little bit of an issue with this, but I figured it out, so I hope this helps others. Maybe? I don't know. So what you first have to do is you look at this number. So 175. And you always imagine a 1 here on the right if there is no numbers. However, I'll discuss that in just a second. So what you have to do here is you have to find the leading numbers, or the numbers when multiplied to each other add up to 171. Not exactly the root itself, just numbers that add up to it. So for instance, 175. 175. 25 goes into this 7 times, so 25, 7. 5 goes into 25 5 times, so you have 5, 5, 7 as those numbers that, when multiplied, add up to 157. So what you have to do is you have to look for the numbers that are the same, so this one and this one, 5 and 5. You can imagine 5 times 5 as 5 to the power of 2, or 5 to the 5th degree, and that is going to be the number that's multiplied here. There's always a 1 here, and if there's not a 1, then there's some other number, and that's the number you use. So you say 7 is in the root, and then you have this number, which is just these two. It's just one of them, though, multiplied by either 1, if nothing is visually here, or by any number that would be here. So for instance, that this answer would be 5, then in the root, and then you put 7. And that's right. So here we have a number in this corner. I keep pressing right click. So what you want to do instead is you start off the same, 20, 10, and 2. It's ugly. 10 and 2 go into 20. 5 times 2 goes into 10. So that means 20, or 2, is the number that's multiplied by itself. So 2 to the power of 2, or 2 to the 2nd degree. And then what you simply do is you multiply 2 times whatever number is right here. So that would be 7. So 2 times 7 equals 14. So you start with 14. Then you put the root, and the leftover number, 5, is what's going to go inside the root. So, like that. Cool. I'm going to do one more, especially because this one seems a little bit more difficult. So 6 and then the root is 241. So first of all, you can add all these up and you get 6. I don't think that does anything. But what you can do is just divide that by half and you get 121 times 2. 121 should be 11 times 12. Let me see here. No, never mind. I think it's 11 times 11. Yeah, 11 times 11. So then that would mean you have the 2, and then you have 11, you have 11 times 11 times 2. So because these two are the same, 11 to the 2nd degree times 6, which, because we just discount that 2, 11 times 6 is 66. then you put the line, and then since 2 is the only remaining number, it should be 2. There you go. I hope that's a good enough explanation as you can get. I don't think I can get much simpler. Hope that was helpful. Goodbye.